Hey guys, my name is Viren and today I will like to show you how I am making a portable laptop using the Raspberry Pi. So these are the parts that I am using. This is the wireless Bluetooth keyboard which many people have used for their builds of the Raspberry Pi, so I also decided to buy one. But this is only available in the US, so I had to order it on Amazon, and one of my relatives over there sent all these things to me. And the Raspberry Pi is available in India through some websites like the Green India Electronics and some other websites. So this is the Raspberry Pi 2, which has a quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, and which is going to get the Windows 10 update like at the end of this year. This is a display that I ordered off Amazon, a Chinese display, and this is a plastic box that has had medicines in it. I am using this as the body of the laptop. So this is the display I have stuck to the this lid of the box, and the display driver is on behind of the display, which has these three RCA cables, and this is a 3.5 mm, this which is going to drive the display. So this came with this wire over here, but I cut it off because this wire couldn't fit in the box, so I had to cut it off. And then there were three wires in it. I removed the yellow wire, and which I'm going to connect to this after I cut this off. So first thing when I did what I did is I this is the XT Power one more XT Power 10,000 mAh power bank. It has two USB 2 amp ports, and this is gonna drive the display. The display is gonna get the juice from here, and it is capable of handling like 6 to 7 hours with the Pi and the display hooked up to it. So first thing I did is I found a box that could fit everything and which is small and not too big, and I cut this thing here because the power bank was itself so big that it wouldn't fit in the box. So a little bit of the power bank, this is my design I'm showing you, little bit of the power bank will go out. Wait, let me put the power bank in like that. Yeah, it's gonna look somewhat like that. And this is the power bank also acts as a support for the screen, so the screen remains like that, and the Raspberry Pi is gonna go over here. And the keyboard wouldn't fit in this because the keyboard is relatively very fat, so it wouldn't fit here. So that I'm planning to keep it as a separate thing. As it is, the typing on the keyboard is better when it's held in the hand and not on this. So this you can't type like that. It's better like held in the hand and like a QWERTY keypad of the mobile. So the display is not that high res, it's just a Chinese car display. So that's it guys, this is the first step of my build. I will meet you after I complete the connections of the display and the Raspberry Pi and the power bank in the part 2 of this video. Thank you guys, see you later.